Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty is all about authentic experiences, smart choices, and discovering products that truly deliver. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your eyeliner collection, the Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup Proof Retractable Eyeliner in the bold, classic shade Blackest Black. Whether you're a fan of dramatic eye looks or just need something that stays put, this liner promises to have your back all day and night. Let's break it down. What makes this eyeliner stand out? First off, the Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup Proof Retractable Eyeliner is designed with a satin gel formula, which means it glides on smoothly without any tugging or pulling, something that can make all the difference when you're trying to create a sharp, defined look. It's waterproof, smudge-proof, flake-proof, and even cry-proof. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're caught in the rain or dealing with watery eyes, this eyeliner stays intact for up to 16 hours. Now, let's talk about the application experience. As a gel formula, this eyeliner feels lightweight and comfortable on the skin. It's soft, but it doesn't budge once it sets. You can easily draw bold lines or go for a more subtle definition, depending on what you're after. I've been using it both in the morning for a quick, bold look and in the evening, and it holds up well during my long days. No touch-ups required. So, what are the pros here? The major highlight is the long-lasting wear. 16 hours of staying power is a win, especially for busy days or nights when you need your eyeliner to stay put. The formula's intensity is impressive too, offering rich black pigment that pops without needing multiple layers. Plus, the retractable design means no sharpening required, making it convenient for travel or on-the-go use. But no product is perfect, right? A couple of cons to note: the formula is a bit more creamy than some other gel liners, which can lead to some slight transfer if you're particularly oily, especially on the waterline. Additionally, while it's definitely cry-proof, it might not be as smudge-proof for those with extremely oily lids or long days without setting powder. In terms of value for money, this eyeliner definitely delivers. You're getting high-quality, long-wearing, and versatile eyeliner at a very affordable price point. When compared to other high-end liners, the performance of this product is on par, if not better, especially when you factor in its vegan and cruelty-free credentials. For those who are new to the gel eyeliner world, or those who've been struggling with products that don't live up to their promises, this could be a real game changer. Compared to some higher-end gel liners, Wet n Wild's formula provides similar wear time, but at a fraction of the price. So if you're working with a beauty budget, this is a great option. Now, as for the build quality, this product is solid for a drugstore eyeliner. The retractable mechanism is smooth and doesn't get stuck, which is important because there's nothing more annoying than a broken twist-up eyeliner. In terms of longevity, I was impressed with how it held up over the course of the day. No fading, no crumbling. It stays just as vibrant in the evening as it did when you first applied it. The cruelty-free and vegan aspect is also a big plus for those who prefer ethical beauty choices. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. The Wet n Wild Mega Last Breakup Proof Retractable Eyeliner offers excellent value for the price, with lasting power and comfort that rivals some more expensive options. You really can't go wrong with this one. If you're on the hunt for a more budget-friendly alternative though, brands like NYX or Maybelline offer similar retractable eyeliners with a comparable performance, but nothing quite hits the mark in terms of both affordability and pigment quite like this one. To wrap it up, this eyeliner is definitely worth considering if you're after an everyday liner that can handle anything your day throws at you. Whether you have a busy workday, a long night out, or need something that won't quit halfway through, this one promises to deliver. And with a price that's easy on the wallet, I can see this becoming a staple in many makeup bags. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.